tayo para maabutan ng Lasal. Papasok na natin. So, see you, JC. JC Electrician. May makalalagyan sa. Good luck. Aming Lasal. Hala. Hala. Hala! Good luck, JC!
Hi, Charissa. Ingat ka palagi dyan and God bless. Sana makauwi ka na ulit. See you soon.
JC! Mall of Asia. Hala! Tanda! Ngayon sa Mall of Asia, nag-abang ng... Anong inabangan mo, Asi? Anong inabangan? Hala, pa-check up ka na. Hala, good luck, JC.
Hi, Charissa. Ingat ka palagi dyan and God bless. Sana makauwi ka na ulit. See you soon.
Ala, sakit na yan. Get well soon. Bye.
Parang gagawin niya lahat siya.
Yes! Isang sample naman, Marlo. Yay! Okay.
Episode of What Lies Beneath, and I hope you guys are excited as we are. So enjoy.
Jake Cuenca.
Yes, good evening everyone. The Word October 17 pa sa Netflix, What Lies Beneath. October 18 on I Want, October 20 on PTV. And salamat din sa mga editor natin. I heard they're all here tonight. Mapapansin nyo napakagaling ng editing ng show. So, I want to give up kasi the editors of the show are so brilliant and you're gonna see it. So, thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nandito ngayon. Finally, nandito na po tayo sa araw na to, mapapanood and we're so excited. Sana po ay ma-enjoy nyo din. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po for being here.
So off muna before we let you guys head on over to your seats.
Kabantay.
Half photos. Dahil after the show, we'll give you guys time for the interview.
Sige. Hi Edwina. Hello po. Hi.
Thank you.
There we go. Congratulations, guys. Oh, diba? The young Mabels meet, of course, the next generation Mabels. Ganon. Okay.
Gibson.